Ubona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Ayimphilo ngamjaji ngifuna le mali ubona ngiphanda kaji Ubona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Ayimphilo ngamjaji ngifuna le mali ubona ngiphanda kaji Ubekisa kwetafuleni Ubekisa kwetafuleni
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka uMr Soweto kaFele Motsiba aka Mr Cool himself. Intwana semahonji la kulomotsotsi la kujika khona ipoti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ntariana bafethu. Welcome to Kasino Vogile bafethu, your number one favorite show where we talk about things that are happening in the streets. This is not a podcast. It's more like therapy bafethu. I can't get in music gang, I understand that. So Boozy Gang is not just a movement, but it's a record label. If you're an artist and I'll be part of it, just highlight the boys. So tag you in. So don't forget to sleep at don't forget to wash your car at Makula Last Street Car Wash. Then you come to Premier Lifestyle Guest House. It's a guest house, but it's a Premier Lifestyle Guest House. Come sleep. I was a small and pretty so like if it's a sleep to bed. But other than that, I'm pretty easy to show you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if it's a way to get it because we will be. So Bafetu, thank you for coming to the show.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming to the show. So njengoba ngize show nje njengoba sidumakazi yabo. Ngiqala ngapha ngibethe ngapha yabo. Ma young intro ne, but before the young intro, I want to know something because we are in Soweto. Yabo, the heart of the world. You understand? So I wanna know mfethu, before ufika ekuseni, before uhlangana nomkhulu, uboneni wena? Ongathi ungayishalela abantu ebone estradeni, a social ill, a positive one, even a negative one. Njengoba sishutha manje, besinganagesi namanzi. You understand? That's something critical. Bangazithathela ugesi namanzi, so kade kumele silambe ngiyasifastisa ngenkathi yabo. So wena uboneni kasi lakho ungashalela abanye abantu? You saw something?
Okay, today in the morning when I wake up, today in the morning, good day people. I hope you could go by the name of Young Finesse, co-founder of ASAP Apparels. Well, today Mangvuka, Kaslam, ngibone nje abomama community today, they were sharing news, angazi bebakhuluma ngani. Ngiyabona ukuthi ikhona inkinga besikhona ngadlula ngayona ndawo Thabang. We are preparing ourselves to go to the podcast now it's la in Tariana. So today there was nothing more that we saw, but amaphoyisa nje wakhipha abantu nje lamakula, the outlaw people, the immigrants.
So ikasi lakho seyicalile le nto labantu seyabakhipha.
Yes bayabakhipha.
Ikasi lami basavulile futhi
bayabakhipha. Yeah.
So Khozami mfethu, thanks you for coming to the show also. Wena nje mangazishalela ku-ASAP yabo, usitshele ukuthi ubeyethu lezi mali.
But sure kama lami Kagiso, but well known as Chipesh. Ngarelate ku-same story le bekakuchazela kuyo December 2. So akunanto engiyichaza.
Ne. So labo mama laba bebaba meeting ukuthi amakulu ahambe uyogesi.
Neyamanzi.
Neyamanzi.
Same impact, because amanzi ava ekuseni. No.
Then no case of ekuseni. But then as a youth, they try to take about that because you keep on voting, but we keep on having the same situation.
Yeah. No, as a youth, it's in a program. We need to upright. Siphume silwe sport for the liberation. Because yabona kenzakalana kasi. Nathi manje silekelela khona as a youth. So I would like to ukuthi youth yazi ukuthi guys, we need to stand up now. Umhlaba uyaphela, so we need to make sure ukuthi we take part in each and everything. Like, isn't this important to this thing? I attend meetings, we show up, guys. It's a volunteer, isn't this thing? So, yeah, I think everything will help.
Yeah.
Yes.
So before I hop into the brew, I want to ask you a last question regarding izinto ozibonayo bethe kasi now
Yeah.
le ntwana obvious ama-2 izinyama-19.
Yeah.
Do you think we still have those people who have that mentality out of 100% umuntu ozothi mina ngiyakuphi nge-community but kuya kubhuti bethu nabomalume bethu into angazithi
Thina si we don't partake in such things. Solakali, and the reason why I don't know, because thina sithanda into esheshayo, yabo, into ezigrand asifuni, yabo, silandelela abazali bethu, senze izinto ezi-right. So we need to do it like izinto everyone was saying. We need to partake in each and everything. Uma ngabe kunama-meetings, volunteer, community group, like senze izinto ezinjalo, sizane somphakathi.
Yeah. Shout out to that. So
Yeah.
because of me telling when that show regarding impethu you wanna lay amanzi nama-meeting. What's your take about that?
Yeah, mina ngithi kuze kube ne-change, kumele kube ne-effort yethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, nathi kumele sibe yingxenye phakathi kwayo yonke le nto eyenzakalayo, because if asifaki any movement or support angeke basithathele ekhanda. So kuzobe kuyenzakala lento ekanje repeat, kuyokuhamba ugesi ngamanzi whatsoever. So yeah, whatever fairness bakakhuluma ngayo, I think we should ukuthi sifake isandla kakhulu ukuze si-attende wonke lama-meeting and those kind of things. Ukuthi si-understand-a kakhulu ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
So-
what I can say.
Yeah. So do you guys attend meetings? Joe and Kuma have a meeting.
Yeah. Yeah, I do attend.
Then
I'm into this cut.
So what do they normally talk about there? Ukuthi bekunomunye umuntu ozama ukuyi-attenda but akekho interested ufila ngathi abakhulumi nento that is entitled with him or her. What do they mostly speak about?
No, like what they mostly speak about is that the community, let's say you're a neighbor, right? Moshakalele ugesi. You wanna call ESCOM, you have that mentality ukuthi hey mina ngiyabhadala, whatever. Guys, there's no need ukuthi sifone le-ESCOM because most of us siyazazi ukuthi sibhrejile. So uzomoshela nabanye abantu. We need to combine as a community. No, that's a serious issue, though. You can't say abantu bayi-36 ababhadala ugesi when we-1 we-important ngani. Why ungaceli laba abanye ukuthi bakenzele plan? When uyahamba uyovula i-case sofuna ukubophisa the whole 36 people. Why? Angali i-wrong lento esiyenzayo. But everyone bridgile, dog. And people who are doing a bridge, they don't afford electricity.
Yeah.
They don't afford electricity. And ugesi uyathengwa, dog.
Dura.
Bheka, check. I-ESCOM ngisho isipromisile ukuthi ugesi uzothenga ugesi, let's say 500,000 rand. That's certain tariff per month.
Yeah.
Kube ne-range ukuthi uma uthenga ugesi we-500 uyakulasta uphile. But why low 500 to last 3 days, 2 days, then it's chai. Imalini le.
Shoot a month and
Khumbule dog. Siselokishini. Siselokishini ne. You can't compare abantu abaselokishini nabantu abaningi. Thank you.
No, but usually a question like vital. Every 2 days you can spend 500. How much do you spend
For a month.
So it's tower.
ESCOM
3,000 ngeviki.
ESCOM kwamanye amakhasi
6, 9, 10.
12.
Yo,
Ugcine seyikhiphe ESCOM lama-box kwamanye amakhasi izomela. Like but hayi abantu bayakhala ndoda. Abogogo bahola ama-2,000.
Indeed.
2 point something ayaphela nama-2 point something.
and most abasebenzi
Abasipani.
Yes, but so here's the entertaining we say
Yes.
to crime.
Yayibona.
That's why we have the highest rate of crime. Because of into yenziwa i-government and labantu be-government abahlali
Basikhabathi.
kokwakha kanti
But like mostly
Intabeni.
into ene-politics somehow. Ama-politician, I understand, but niggas confused. yabo.
Mm.
Looks confusing. Vele ube
Because badla nabo lamakhansela wethu. You know.
abanye kuze kube
Basipromise
decide
izinto ezingafulfilling.
Aish.
Ntarano, since njengoba ukhuluma nge-crime ne,
Yari.
khona unama degree, diploma, unama-qualification
Eh.
uhleli ekhoneni, akasipani, akagelezi.
Vibe.
So into ezofika engqondweni yini? Mina thathela abantu or ayenze i-crime yakhe
Gcine
ukuze
sekamosha.
because akasebenzi akanani into zakhe zikreme.
Okangabi nasekhoneni ugcine eshaya ama-IT yabona.
Yeah.
Shaya into zabo.
Asha ama-fraud.
Gcine sekaboshwa.
Eish. And Amatapega, he was an intelligent boy because most of those people about
Bathole ispan.
yeah, but I don't pay. Yabo. So, Bafethu, that's the daily thing with
Yeah.
the economy. Yes, so I don't understand because it's a big yabo. That's the thing that we face in the daily. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and to this way to get to Bafethu. Pull up Bafethu. Premier lifestyle guest house. That's it's a key that trend is over to Bella yabo. So Bafethu, I just wanna let people know Bafethu, yabo. Njengoba nizile nithi nize nithi but we live individual life. I understand it. Why we are here and what are you here to represent?
Oh, okay. The main agenda of what we are here, we set invitation. We got an invitation, not like we said, we got an invitation from Ontariana because we're planning to do a community supervision for Black Supremacy Foundation. You know, the founders here, Mutem, Kagiso, almost known as Tipesh, Bashido. So yeah, the main reason why Size last is Okuluma like about izinto ezizoyenzeka on the 18th of July 2026 the event eseyenza about Black Supremacy Community Supervision Drive. Then sizokhuluma sizoreflecta nezinto ezenzakalayo around the community and like nase South Africa as a state ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani as a country as a whole. So I'm here to represent also myself as I'm a co-founder of ASAP Apparels, what you can see here. Yeah, so yeah, shout out. Yeah.
Kanjala. And what do you stand for?
Yeah, basically I'm here ukuthi ngizoshare nje whatever enginayo yabo. So on the 18th since ashilo u-Young Finance ukuthi kune-initiative esiyenzayo, so whatever esifuna ukuyenza asiyenzi just because siyenzela maybe for views or something. We wanna help i-community because ngalo langa leli kuzoba nomntana maybe udinga some old clothes uzokwazi ukuthodofa after so bakwazi ukugunda because kunama-free card. If amajezi wabo wesikolo amoshekile sokwazi ukuthi yabo. Into like esifuna ukuyenza like several times ukuthi sishintshe i-community ukuthi abantu bangagcwali igazi since ngikhuluma nge-crime. Bangabosha amapipe emakhumeni. So yeah, into nje esizama ukuyenza but since we are starting sohlangana nama-challenges and consequences yabo. But sofunda from kuwo sibone ukuthi sisiyaphi.
Hopping into challenges, you're going to kumbuza but I want to ask you again, why you decided ukwenza riding? Ukhule kanzima na webhaye kunala ukhulula ungadlanga we upayiseka manje yabona ukuthi I have means to help, let me help. Hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu kumele andlule khona.
Yeah, angeke ngisho in that way, but azange ngikhule ngithole izinkinga esebaplata. So kumele ngiphume endlini ngifune i-strategy into ukuthi ngizoba-grindile. So kwabanye abanawo amandla ukuthi maybe angavuka bahlanganise naso simo. So kithi whatever esizoyenza nge-18 maybe we can help abanye. Kwabanye kuzothi maybe it's just a waste of time. But nje into kwamele ihlezi khona makazana because ubunzima into ehlezi khona kwamanye ama-families. Lo akanajezi lesikolo, akanajezi. So but I think khona ama-Grootman kumele angabayenza kangcono
kunathi.
Yabo, so sizama ukushintsha lento leyo.
Impana yabona lento le kuyisho bengisho ku-last episode ukuthi asisanawo ama-Grootman. Ama-Grootman yithi manje, you understand that? Umuntu who's putting a hand kule nto eniyenzayo intanga yenu. Manje ukhona u-Grootman ongathi uyakhombile lithi mfana nayi 5 tawanyana.
wonke umuntu ola yithi i-youth yethu
Yeah, it's
group yethu labantu
maybe
aboshaya amakhathi mahhala
maybe
i-group yethu.
yeah, maybe umuntu oda ukhona is an older person. One. It's shout out to Get Mpilo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
get
Sierra.
something.
Sierra,
Sierra.
Cindy Sothaba, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, umuntu obekela involved kakhulu.
Yeah.
And the other who the amagama abangawamention shout out to them.
Yeah.
Because we used to
Way
something
forward.
somehow.
Net.
So
Checking
couldn't
these, yeah.
sakala none.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But shout out to you guys, Bafik. I understand.
Yeah.
Shout out. Well, and then because most of the people buying this into while expecting something in return. So you guys, what you are doing, you are not expecting because it wasn't abanye abantu eningabali. Yabona uNkulunkulu ubusisa abantu abanjalo. Kulo munye umuntu athi because ngibagayisobho. Yeah, kumele next time mangenzakala kanze kumele bayenze so.
No,
You understand?
don't do that.
There's nothing in return. We're doing it with love.
Yeah.
It's a charity. So
It's a charity thing, yabo.
Yeah, giving back to the community.
Yeah. So as umphakathi,
Yeah.
as umphakathi sengikhuluma nani. Let's stop demanding or depending. Yeah. Let's stop depending on the government. Let's unite and make change for ourselves. Because we've been depending on the government ever since. There's nothing happening. But if you come together as one, bona kwenzakalani namhlanje. So vuka takhe mfethu bathi xa selivukile agqokanga amapijama ivusalele sazi isikhathi sakho yini. So talking about challenges, we're gonna dive yabo, we're gonna talk about economical things that we face,
Yeah.
economic issues, that lead because you are not gonna be feeding kids. You feeding nababhemayo, abanye ababhemi, abomagogo nabo bani bani yabo. That's what happened to you.
Yeah, bro. Very it's a long story. But then I will keep it short, yabo. Kufanele kanje ubizwa ngokuthi Mthokozisi. Uploma like composite wasedlala waseLondon lasemzini next door. Yeah, very composite.
Yeah.
So ushaya sister lami yabo, one of my relative cousins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like ngibulela ukuthi Umthokozisi uqhathamisha abantwana like abantwana basejaradini lakubo. So sister lami icabana sister lakhe.
Yeah.
So isister lakaMthokozisi bengekho that day. So isister lami lathatha abantwana bakaMthokozisi imandla laka-sister lakaMthokozisi lakila lapho because uMthokozisi bekabakhiyela ukuthi bangagili endlini. uMthokozisi benza amaphara bashumpa yabo. So sister asifonele on a Friday. No. Yeah, on a Thursday. Yeah, that's Thursday. Uthi hayi na ekuseni echanele ngizolanda ama-dustbin. Hayi na ngangishaya la. Hayi siye okokuqala abalele khuphuka abalele. Khiya ngibuyele endlini sharp 5. Uma ngibuyele endlini phone sister uthi hayi na ngisekabuyile. Ngize fast-ke ngize ngigijima sengivale ulezi sesiphuma sipimile bakufaya. Ngi-check isister ngalapho ku-grade. Masifika sithola phakathi le sibuze ukuthi wawushaya uzophi yabo. Azange zasiphendule yontanga. Wasitshela ukuthi thina ya ningenaphi nina? Ngingenaphi yabo angahlanya la. Hayi sambamba nesister sathi azini ngizoziphindisela umshaya. Umshaya uzothi. Ngoba into ebhasi afuna ukukhipha igoli athi ngikwazi. Ngamshaya-ke ngamshaya sekathatha nefoni yami. Ayitshontsha.
Umshaya.
Sayibona ifoni ifake la emuva ku-back pocket.
Hayizi.
Uma sister makangena ubeka amafoni wakhe phezu what you call this ikhabethe lapho mungena lapha ekitchen. Sister ukuthi kanjani abeka amafoni phezu kwekhabethe angazi. Mthokozisi sithathe la mafoni lawo fake la emuva ku-back pocket. So kunamanzi la phansi bekawaphethe athi ushisa ngawo. Ngazi ukuthi ushisa ngawo ngoba phela umdoko. Yashisa sekugcwele amanzi phansi uyasula. Makasula makabheke emuva aphethe imoto. Umolela athi hayi akusifoni yakho lelo. Mapokoti. Sister river phone. Athi hayi kuyi simlande simphinde. Sasa kakhona. Mthokozisi wasena amaphoyisa. yabona ngesixoxo ngathi into yokudlala.
And lo muntu lo mina ngimele ukuthi enze
Yabo.
i-episode.
So Mthokozi isikhathi sakhona sekuyi-Friday. Mthokozi safike namaphoyisa ekuseni. And kumele ngize kule episode. Last week. Mfethu sengiyathathwa sethi semaselini apha e-Deepcliff police station sebasibeka la just for like certain hours. Sakubeka la i-custody cell. Then must keep after 11 hours and then night bail.
Yeah.
Yeah, so keep 7,000 which is policy for. Charge you 1.5 per person.
Yes, sir. So umthokozisi yena ngimvulelanga case.
Bangivulele case la bamcharge. Bama-charges sekafuna imali ukuthi simbhadale.
Ufuna imali ukuthi nimbhadale yani
Ukuthi mshayeli.
sekwadropile ama-charges i-case iphelile.
Safuna imali. Kuzadropha ama-charges. Ngiyafuna imali.
Manje nimgayela imali ukuthi adrop.
Samgaya imali kuzadropha ama-charges because basithatha ama-fingerprint. And it's very important.
Yabo bengisakubuza ngalo abanibuzanga nini indaba yenu bavele bahlala endabeni
Mfethu basithathile umuntu ufike nje sekathatha ndandlanye uzozo naye uvula i-case naye bathi hayi nawe sokufaka nabavulile i-case yakho kuba sena mentally bekatshelani asimbophisanga yena ubophisa thina amaphaka siwadila kanjalo.
And mfana kusamaphara kuphela bafike mina dinga ngitshele nevale ngamanje ngisayiphinde kuyitshene ebhenki. Yeah, umuntu makala nawe nekela kushaya yemvulela i-case uzabona ukuthi amaphoyisa ayasebenza.
ayasebenza
So siyasimoshela i-reputation man. Athi ukuthi siyema-court.
Eish.
Athende ama-court then yabo ngithatha ama-charges.
Ngapha i-7,000.
Ngapha naye athi ufuna le 7,000 esiphume ngayo.
yahlala
Sisammokola manje.
yahlala
Sakune-state nje asikho fair.
Yeah.
before bakuvalela kumele bakuquestione maybe ukuthi
Bakubuze
Bakubuze.
bazingeni.
nawe kusasa ngangishaya bese uyovula icala bazobupha mina instead of
Because they know
Yeah.
bazobangibuzi mina
bazotshela ukuthi wena
ukuthi mina ngikushayile kanti wena ushaye
so harasa uthabanga.
kanti next
Bayozwa court noma sebafunda le nto prosecute ekubeni sowulele vele.
cabanga isikhathi esingaka sengilele iyabheda le nto le angazi wayenza ngayo mina batshintshe nje indlela yabo yokusebenza nabo
Babuze kuqala maybe before bafake umuntu emaseleni balande.
both sides of the
Abayenzi
story.
le nto.
Because ezinye izinto aweke ukuthi zingaphelela endlini. Ingagcina senitolelana endlini ukuthi hayi.
Kumele ayenze la yini Mthozisi makafika ejaradini simple bambuze Mthozisi uyabazi la bantu ya ngiyabazi yenzakalani 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 bavele basithathe bavele bathi hayi senivalela manje gcokani. Ngithola vele ngicitha ukugeza mfethu uphuma ngishaya iskipa ngishaya ibhuko ngishayela amabhaca phansi ngithi ngiyaphuma ngiyo-ayina ngiza no-podcast bangithatha sethi ngigcoka amateki ngishaya i-top phumile la
Hayi lele bhadi.
mina ngithiwa ngishayashaya ngoba yamfonela inkinga
Emvejeni ngibelele you.
ngithathe nesisteri soyi-2 savala like abantu bebangabelieve ukuthi like bo-13
Yeah.
everyone was calling.
Look what happened. Yeah. So bafethu but hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comment down below. We currently watching Ikasi Vudel at Katakomula Network bafethu. Don't forget to pull up at Premier Guest Lounge bafethu bese uzela embuzi gang bafethu. It's a record label yabo push out yamo so yeah, let's keep it going bafethu. Let's keep it going yabo. So the same people abasimoshelayo are the same people ezobe sibafile. Understand that?
Yeah.
Hayo lento leyenzeni.
Obvious.
Yeah, so let's touch base on social ills.
Yes.
Not just drugs.
Yeah.
There's so as many alcohol, We have so many social problems.
Mm.
As a youth, let's talk about those social problems because those are the people we're gonna be helping.
Yeah,
You understand?
I get you.
Kunabanye abantu abazikhosela i-depression banayithola i-370 yazi ukuthi i-370 ingakenzela i-profit uma ungathenganga ibhodlela.
Ngakenzela something because uyayicaba le supermarket yasevali yabo abayivule ngama-350.
Uyanga-understand?
Yabo manje sebanani sebamize
Sebaqinile.
ngama-350.
Yes.
No, ifuna i-discipline. Capital ifuna i-discipline. Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't have a discipline.
So discipline how? Because umuntu ucabanga ukuthi discipline because umuntu angasave imali mara invest endaweni wrong.
Self-conservation.
So
To conserve yourself.
talk to the masses and tell them what to do and what not to do. Yabo? Maybe your opinion might work for someone, then ayisebenzele someone. Yabo? Into nento isebenzele umuntu wayo.
Increase ama-habits. Izinto ezikulela imali kakhulu. No. Thandayo. That's why uyangikwayezisa. That's how you maintain yourself. You know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's say uthanda ukuphuza. A week when uthanda ukuphuza ama-case. Just maintain it, dog. Mhlawumbe ngeviki ngifika. Shalela 6 pack nyana. Ngiminuthi nga-2. What I like.
Yeah.
Okay, asikhulume-ke if like ngama-drug addicts nabo ba-addicts.
Leyo-ke inzima-ke. Leyo imele uyekela akunokuthi maintain. Uma uthi maintain uyayipromote. It's a go to rehab or rehabilitate.
So, okay, ngiyakuzwa ne?
Yeah.
But the statistics of drugs now, it's high.
It's high, my guy.
Why?
Too much.
The government.
Is it the government or is us?
The government.
And
also us.
Yeah, that's why I wanna touch base on mental health because the government, but
Obviously, it's a government then.
but it
But
doesn't
ngubani
take
abasiphethe?
Yeah.
Ngubani
So
abasiphethe?
talking about the drug issue.
President. But angeke i-president. Mental health so much it affects kakhulu.
Yeah.
Lento kungakhulumi. Iyasikabatha.
Yeah.
Isikhabatha kakhulu. Like nezinto esizibonayo emakhaya that affect us. Abantwana babantu izinto abazibonayo affect. Yabona if you can touch base kunyaka kulento yaka-AKA. So when they found out innocent.
And now he's been shot.
Thina besitshela ukuthi AKA you're wrong.
Hey.
And manje everybody is making accusation now.
Yo.
Siyabona sekungakhulumi sabantu kahlupha. If le ncosi beyikhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani ngabe bayacaba.
But sometimes kunokuba yini kunokuba maybe ukuthi akekho umuntu ongaventa out la. Iye utshela ukho umuntu ngale ndlela le ukuthi ngakhuluma
sibaningi sibaningi emhlabeni. Emhlabeni sibaningi. Bakhona abantu abatrustana.
Manje umuntu afe naye nje inside.
Imagine.
Kune-reason behind. Angeke avele ayenze nje but I think kune-reason behind.
AKA ubolile. Because uma ungabheka leya footage uma bayirelease la. Okay, umntana ungenile le room lokulo. Uma lo mntana bese kule room elinye lezansi. Ku-lift angazi. Wangena AKA ngoda aphethe i-suitcase yakhe. Washiya i-suitcase futhi dawo wahamba kulela room elinye leliya. La mntana bese yazikhile khona. Ngasafuna ukuvula khona. Kanti kuyajumpa lo mntana lo. Ngiyashela wena. Le ntuzana secretary uma ivula iwindow lapha yambona umntana elayini lapha phansi. Naked. Kuba ngathi bamureyipile bamlahle lapha.
From which floor?
From the floor 10.
Abavali kani lamafoni ama-window akhona la abafaka ama-acorn and such things. Into esitwa.
Angekho nangu nje silahlele kusho ukuthi khona ngavala.
Sazi.
Nami futhi maybe angalo-late engiyazinyana. I thought maybe amanye ayavalwa.
Yeah, maybe emthethweni kumele avala ngithi abanye abantu balokwenza izinto isitayela yabo. Yaphathisiselwa ke phela mfethu.
Sengingene yini? Bangene ngikampela.
And kuba mnandi. Nangomunye Sundowns my God.
Jaden Adams.
Khona omunye manje ecabanga ukuthi kungayehlisa leyo ntambo wena. Lakha leyo poison. Hey,
Bayenza ke. Ngokunzima khuluma.
yeah, sometimes you don't need if you don't find anyone to talk to, just pray and talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
That's the story.
Uvele uzithandazele uyazi ukuthi akunankulunkulu ozoyitshela usathane uphile. So yeah, just pray about it and uzoba mnandi. Yabo, so let's go back within le nto lezo
Yeah.
put us in, yabo. Put us in the image, what to expect, kuzobe kuhambani,
Okay, on the
qala ngoba
18th.
nesikhathi, phela nini.
Yeah. Okay, on the 18th. Kuzobe kune Black Supremacy Foundation Community Soup Drive. Yeah, so it's gonna be nice. Kuzobe kunama kitchen nice laphayana. So we share
Yeah.
sopo, giving away with free clothes, free haircuts. What else I didn't mention?
Alteration.
Alteration. Yeah, it's like your jeans are torn up, tabugile, wanna sikunciphisele, mahala. There's gonna be somebody doing that.
Mm.
Yeah. It's soft shoes. Yeah, alterations. Yeah, so there's a lot of shadow, but just come. It's gonna be complete. Then, yeah, the chef, the barber is gonna be there, showing haircuts. You feel like do the fades. The shati, umadala. Yeah, bring everyone talk.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so location it's at Mhlanga Park, the cruise on 6. It's Kati, Kalangaboma 2 that event, Pelanga 4. So yeah, we're giving you time also to let's prepare. So let's plan.
Yeah. Because abanye bawoka bafika ekuseni yofika nini.
Ashante ekuseni uthi hayi 9 until 12.
Ngodlulayo nje ifulambili.
Twala.
Ngeke athathe.
Around 10.
Ifunda nje
Ngiyangena.
Around 10 siyaprepare ngoma 2 ke la izinto zokusiqala khona.
Yeah. Yeah. So because as you came up with the idea, difficulties bafacile, abanye bakuthemisile bakuthenge down, abanye bebelambe nabo basele, pros and cons mfethu through the journey of coming up with this. Or labo batholile abanye baluzile. What was happening within your mind? Let's just start there.
Kona kunzima nyana because kusale nabantu bengicabanga ngisahleli nawo ukuthi mfethu ningenza izinto eso akuze maybe ngasisusa iklasi sibeke esinye so but obvious angithi uyazi uma uhlangana nabantu uyaqina nje sazina simove on sikhala saphambili so ngahlangana nisha yami phela sazini it's idea so le nto le ukuthi maybe so-benefit senzela nje abanye so asenza into esona so yena zange ayineglect uye umuntu okuqala uthi yazini good idea so sabona igroup whereby sibaningi siza nama-idea ukuthi bafethu singacontribute-a kanjani for sinamali yabo boneni sihlanganiseni kanje nakanje abantu bashaya umoya yabo ngikhuluma naye kuphela ngiyabona ukuthi shithi ibhekane nami nayo ukuthi sithulela abantu sifocusile
Yeah.
basenza so now kungekho nzima kangaka but whatever lesikwazile ukuyihlanganisa I think izoyenza something kwabanye.
Yeah.
First establishment.
Ne. Because vele abanye abantu into mayicala bayedala.
Yeah.
Then mase phambili bathi hampana sababona bayicala. Yeah, I understand. So abantu ababukele lapha emakhaya bafethu make sure you pull up and make sure you have fun with us. After sisiblomeleni, have a young conversation. Nathi ngaba mnandi mfethu. Ngaze size nezinye izitori besingazazi. ngaba masisiqeda ukudla vula isekele sihleli phansi siyazixoxela mpethu omunye
Kuzobe khona yonke into la, amabhizinisi entrepreneur, invite-ile yabo, abantu engifana nabo, bazoba khona, abantu bashaba.
Hayi ukuthi bazothengisela labantu abazile, no. Maybe anyone odlulayo, no. Kuningi nje.
Brand bazobe bakhona la, if ufuna ukushaya i-brand, start up i-brand, ya kuzobe kunama-mentor la, yize lawo zifaka.
ne
Yeah.
ne so okay buthi khuluma
I think ngamakhulumane le azothi maybe after the initiative why beningasho ukuthi singasizana
ah
why lapho-ke thina before sicala le sashaya i-post lento la ngithazini sicela maybe if anyone ungakwazi ukusiza maybe angadonate maybe unama-pads la or maybe une-stationery
Zange bafake
nokwethulela
bafethu mina ngicela ukunideliver yabo before obvious because mayenza i-exercise ukuthi kumele ngifake i-ad yabo don't forget to like subscribe bafethu yabo the subscribe button bafethu it's very important because if you can't give us money to grow yazi ukusubscribe mpethu akudinge next ukubonisa ukuthi udakile mpethu ukusubscribe mpethu ambani usubscribe ukhipha kanesheleni just subscribe ukuthi i-channel ikhule because the channel yenu uyabona nigibeleli nayokhela abanye nibambela 130 but make sure you pull up kasi livukile bafethu yabo Makhura Drive then make sure Premier Lifestyle Guest House ukuthi ngachiye abone car wash ngapha yabo then izinto ziya operate so because you're hopping into what you do yabo branding.
Yeah.
How do you keep your branding moving because abantu bayakhala abanye abakhali ngabo bakhala ngama-late delivery omunye ngivuna isiliphu esikande siqeda ukusiwasha 3 days sibhamukile
I-branding gosh. Okay. Branding you need to measure it and the standards of branding. Angeke ukuthi ufuna ukwenza i-branding but then awukazi wayenza ne-research of what branding is. Firstly, you need to know what branding is. You know, like to brand is just to brand something, just to put a name on it, then you promote it. Then angeke ukuthi ufuna ukwenza i-branding ungazi marketing. You need to know how to market. Kumele wazi ukuthi usebenza ngabo bani, yabo, know your customers, know your people, and interact with them.
yeah
Then let's touch on quality, the fade of the colors. Yeah, so you need to buy like quality products. Quality cost. It's not cheap. Cost. You might buy a t-shirt for 200. You might buy a t-shirt for 180. A plain one. It depends. So, then most of my products like 20 you can get a discount. With certain MOP, minimum order quantity. So yeah, branding is a lot of things.
So ever since you ventured into branding ukuthi ufisane wena individual khona abanye bafuna imali zabo back
No.
so you deliver in time.
Yeah, I do everything. I learn
So-
to be professional.
So how do you deliver in
Professional.
proof ne?
Yeah.
The
But I like
yeah. So professional. So there's a young in that there because when a brand probably the thing is i-brand yakhe bayithatha but ithatha isikhathi ukudiliva. Ayenze njani? Maybe ungamfundisa ngizathi isikole sayidayini.
Always you need to be reliable for my customer. Like the trustworthy kubalulekile. Ungadli imali zabantu as a co-founder out there and don't call yourself a co-founder. Ungaregister with business. You need to go register with business.
Yeah.
And ungazihami ukuthi ufuna ukuba nama-bank account amanye because tax ukushaya. When you just make sure that whenever somebody pay you a deposit, you fulfill everything. So you buy the quality, you do the product, you shoot, you send to the customer, you see I'm processing your order, Now I'm done printing it. Also save money, but capital.
Yeah.
Let's start with capital.
Yeah.
Brand needs capital. And capital, it's different. There's a capital, personal capital, business capital. So we shouldn't miss those two things.
Yeah.
That's imali yakho kube imali yakho, imali ebrand kube imali ebrand. Simple.
Yeah,
So we need to have like two differentiating things.
yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
But it's opportunity because you own the brand. I think you guys are listening and watching in Makaya. I mean, what I know about branding since I've like ventured into branding, when I'm brand. I've started to calculate about this bigger brands
Yeah.
and this lower brand.
Yeah.
I think the problem is now it's in the NAS. We are selling the product, not the brand. And you need to sell the brand, not the product.
Not the product.
McDonald's sells McDonald's, not burgers. Awuthi buy a bag uthi ngiye McDonald's and more petty paper bag yakho
Iyabonakala.
ngayo.
McDonald's.
Uyangithola
Marketing strategy yabo.
angeke uphathe ibhegi ye-McDonald's ungashuthi ngayo. Understand? So I think people need to sell more of the brand than the product.
Yeah.
So when as a brand owner, kumele uyigcoke le nswembu ibrand yakho sithi antwana ugcoka kahle yo ukuze siyithenge ibrand yakho.
Kanti phusha igama. Phusha igama, kumele bacaze igama. Impahla zikhona nje zokuthi sezi-designated ukuthi okay, nami ngigcoke into so. But yenze kuphi? Kwa-ASAP. Oh, le jean Levi's. Awuthi le jean.
Le jean Levi's. Levi's. So
How they make their jeans.
yeah, you're not buying a jean, you're buying the brand. Yeah, so as random nyana for the people out there, yabo.
Yeah.
Asikhulumeni ngelokishi kahle.
Yeah.
Izinto esizifisa elokishini. Ubona kwakho, ubona kwami, ubona kwakho.
Oh, touch base on location.
Yeah.
Zikhona izinto ezenzakalayo out there, yabo. I can touch on the environment that we're living in as a community, yabo. Like, as I said, we need to wake up. This is a wake up call for us. But then, asibone some of us to be too independent to someone else. Depending on somebody, independent. If you can learn to be independent, I think, yeah, we're gonna conquer it.
Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to them. It's powerful. To you, Bruiser.
Yeah, I mean, into engayisho ukuthi eziningi into ezenzakayo elokishini.
Yo.
Fire.
Eziningi.
We shouldn't focus on the negative. We should keep pushing forward.
Yeah,
positive.
Because the positive you spoke about it, you know, which is you are younging. You have a podcast with younging. You have a friend as younging. You are giving away food as younging. You touch base on the podcast on the positive. Yeah. But there's this negative thing that does not wanna go out. Right. Since from the 90s, even now. Khuluma na.
Wena nje ukhuluma nge-negativity. Yeah. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi cash up into ezenzakala eKazibhaya because I think there's crime, substance, yabona like mengakhuluma when it comes to substance. Substance-ke into engangawulimi because hayi abantu baney'nkinga zabo ezi-different yabo. Angazi endlini nani. So ngikutshela ukuthi don't smoke weed or don't do what.
Yeah.
So yeah, kuningi. But nje into engasiza I think mina umuntu komele ezikhiphe ibhizi. Ngasamthing ukuze ingekile uyicabange. So maybe umsebenzi, car wash is not a bad thing. Like
yeah, mfethu.
Because when you start that's why abanye abantu bagcina bakhombisa ama-suicide.
Yeah.
Because akanawo namandla ukuthi angenza something.
Yeah.
So mfethu baningi ikasa.
Khuluma, wena ngathi sakubatshela.
Hayi. Akuthi ngisakubatshela nje. Ukuthi angazi ngikhulume ngani. Kuningi kasenzakalayo. Yeah, it's too much.
Ngapha mfethu kapha manje mawugcina nini-ke emshadweni?
Yabo kuyashona phela.
Kuyashona.
Ugcine nini ukugraduate-wa?
Graduation ngigcine nge-Grootman Lab.
I think there's demonic, satanic.
Past few months.
At least past. Mara marore ngembali man. Wasokola kanje futhi especially thina leli. Ukuthi maybe sesingena kuma ku-adult.
There's demonic.
No,
because nama-funeral so
oh my
every
God,
week.
it's revolutionary.
How so?
See, back then, it was during the 18th century. It was so.
Ngabo Sharpeville massacre.
But then, manje sesi-committed kuma-substance. It's different. Sesilisa abantu abangaphandle abangena bazomosha la.
But mina into engiconcernayo yilena. Back then, makushona umuntu mfethu besimona like isithuka ukuthi umuntu
Angasazi why
manje
yenzeka repeatedly.
into engikhala ngayo ukuthi
Uma into yenzeka kanjalo ngeke isakuthusa
ujwayele
so kumele ukuthi nami ungabhuli yabo
hey
funa nayilini ish siphathisa kanjani
angeke kubalekele
angikubalekele manje le ntwana lezi seziyakulanda manje akusafani
ngena
nakuqala.
endlini eningi uhleli kaningi
baba enjoya
into engalawuleki
enjoya iyo
ne-safety
iyo
enjoy
Because abo enjoy uthola emjayivweni ngifuna nakasibhene emjayivweni
yeah namali mkhulu yakhuluma ukuphahlaza ngebhodlela state and bangashaya wena but bashaya le out yakuda ladla wena ngapha udayo kakhulu wadla imali yerent kusale uzithengile
sesiphila kabuhlungu nasesiphila ngokusaba
into ekhabatha abantu nentakani ukuthi maybe ngifuna ukufika lezi zinto lezi yabo nezinto mina ngizibheke la ukuthi ngithathe imali yami ngegroove ngithanga namaheni ikasi ngithenge 450 ngithenge 1.25 ngenxa yokuthi ngifuna ukubona ukulimeko ngokubani not a bad thing ngoba
nishaya ngengoma nami
basespanini not a bad thing ne
yeah
ayi but mina angiboni ukuthi mina ngifitha la
yeah
mina kunezinto mina ngizi-chase la ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlala le
yeah
prefer ukuthi sithenge sihlale la
yeah moya lapha ibhizinisi yomunye umuntu ubhaleka ibhizinisi
yabo
yabo ukuthi yagula kancane.
yabo
So bafethu, don't forget to like, okay, subscribe, yabo, leave your comment down below. Soweto, Sikete bafethu, make sure you pull up premium lifestyle guest house, Makura Drive bafethu, and Makura Drive Kawas. Then mfethu mbuzi ke, la uzola ighost lapha, angibi ne-MC angaza ngapha. Yeah, fuck those niggas. Think I wanna be mbuzi ke. Fuck them. Hayijayabule. Umbonile menzela uDaniel Davis.
yeah sorry baphuma la elifini alright ngeke ngene nawe elifini decided he had to come back out of the league like
But you
man.
play, you blame.
I don't blame him though. Everything else,
But you,
like he respect you.
yeah.
Briefing.
So respect PCI.
Yeah.
Mara leza intwana ngicabanga ukuthi bathumela ukuthi shine track ibhizi while they was sign.
And then see akana stress dog.
Akafuni nje ukuba
Bonisa ubuyena dog. Unreal. Too cool. So.
aliyayi.
Lenze siye nje angena ahlalela phansi la endini.
Yeah.
Kumele bavalile.
Yeah.
Ngamajini.
Athi ahlonile. Yeah, and mfana talking about that, hustler ngimazi personal. Layout mfethu
Applies too, man.
yathi grand mfethu. Yo, layout la malaga the whole day.
Cool.
Esithulele
Eras leya.
yamamela.
Yeah. Thanda ukushayela noma le movie.
Asishayele asithulele into yakhe.
Eras.
Azibambele khona la.
Mfethu, eras.
amakhapha amabili
Abo.
Yeah, eras. Kalisha music. Businessman leya.
Otherwise, yeah. And wisdom wise.
La into ikhulumayo mamela kusama.
Mamela, lenda
Manje ukuthi uyahlala uthi ukhuluma silungu. Ingane yakhe. Yini that?
Nah, that's right.
From Escort. Been hanging out with him.
Yeah, futhi Daluka nabo kanye.
For sure.
Yeah, shout out to SGS. You still pushing, ne?
I'm not sure.
Because mina ngagcina ukuba ne-Escort ngibhayela i-City Light, ngabhayela i-City Light. back then elevate, and that's like the last time I see Escort.
Yeah.
Baphusha bona,
I
but
think the
no,
shop is closed now.
because la eVenda
The shop
sabona.
store, yeah.
Sabona into engathi yarana yakudala i-brand PC.
Dog, I don't know what's happening.
Abakapha.
PC hayi.
This is top, boy.
Yabona
One of
le
the inspiration brand.
Yeah.
designer yabo le hayi. Yasazi style.
But he coming, dog. Check in, check it out. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah.
It's been 10 years now. 10 years is not a pop and play.
Hey, tennis
And remember, 10 years is only a Zama. You push him. Zama go to the into the train. If you can check, this started creating their Buckethead. Back then, 2014, especially Penny was that. That's when they started manufacturing that product.
Yeah, that
Check them now.
Come them to now.
I know that.
Ngale kuza usebenza
Reflect baphenduka.
This is nice
growth, my God.
growth. But
Consistency balo bayenza so like
Kule quality ne-growth yabo.
manje enza amasimo phela ngiyokhumbula kunale music video leka ikharakara my music video ka-KO bashaya i-pieces laphaya baze bashaya nale kipa zale zingathi TP.
Bheka no mfethu ama-flagship kangaka.
no hayi yabona manje ayisente
They are 5.
Yeah.
Asiyabona billions.
Nah.
You just come ulula, so you need to work.
But you need to work and
Come to them groove. Come to what you develop groove. Babona.
minus
minus the fair. And then page don't
No, I was going to go to my stuff.
man.
Yeah.
And the Mayo group of
Galaxy Boy.
about Galaxy Boy, the Mayo group of
Wonke labantu ama decade basebathi akusukuthi bacale manje.
Consistency nje
Thina singababona no nje sebavela sibanayo bacale. Dala bayishaya yini. Azibeka amahoni mani ngiyathengisela ikarini aziba netorotoro.
yeah.
Tholile imoto. Ngamagroove abhayisekarini. She started booming, dog. For 10 years, I didn't shine anything. I won that's serious. Why scale the university? Nanyang scale again, my reading.
Yeah.
Mfundikazi.
Indikas. Nanyang scale.
Yes.
And I want now your bag. Yeah.
So
it's a key.
oh yeah, man.
It's a key.
So do you reach out to them and like speak and get like advice from them?
Yeah.
So they do give you advice.
It's a key. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not easy though. You need to connect yourself with these people.
Yeah. Just talking about that, when tell any out, some people like you said, they don't even need to go to school. They have it. Yeah, they just go to school to have the papers to apply for other. Yeah, but
This is
funding. Yeah.
This is now I'm going to stuff now. I'm stuff something. Also vast. Sakhula mfethu sangena.
And enta kusongeni.
Sangena.
Keep grinding.
Keep branding.
Yeah.
Branding.
So, bafethu njengoba sisekhaya.
Nazi izinto.
Wazama.
Ngaphatha le. Sure man.
Yeah.
Labazi labantu ngisaba-respect. It's push into yini nabo push into yabo basinakanga.
Yeah.
Bayazi ininto ngezinye izizathu.
And they must figure kuzobonakala ukuthi ubonakala. So let's talk about the music at night about it.
Yeah.
Let's sit together, man. Let's talk about this music.
Yeah.
Especially the most prominent one.
Yeah.
Kuna piano, kuna sound yasevali, kuna drill, like there's things happening, you understand? Mina bafethu yabo ngingalilime. Yabo. Ngingalilime because of the way ngimazi ngakhona personally.
Sure.
Like ngimazi from the lowest. La khona mfethu he's in the highest place. Noma ngathi only bedroom ama-bedroom ayi-3 unemoto ezingenjani.
Sure.
I know him to the lowest. So and I like his consistency. I like inhliziyo yakhe how he is dedicated. Mfethu la muntu yakamind ke-ipilweni eziyi-4 ngelanga eliyi-1.
Oh.
You understand? Ispani.
So drop, she mad lah.
Yeah. So when who do you fuck with in the speak? And I fuck with the hustler.
Me thought I respect everyone. So don't take it one granted. Because
Yeah.
everyone is pushing to get something at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So yeah, dog, I respect each and every artist.
But who heals you? Kana ba heal us Java? Kana
Oh my guy, there's a lot of artists there, dog. Some of your favorite. No, there's a lot of artists out there.
yeah.
There's a lot of artists.
So futhi mahilo lona.
Nabokhulu Chana, izinja, abazongadropa.
Aboma E.
Naboma E. So there's a lot of artists. There's a lot of artists. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't have a favorite.
Ne.
Yeah.
Wena mkhozi wami
Sportsman Lunyang.
sports no limit.
Uthanda ipiano, sports and business.
Why?
Yabo.
Why? No, like ukuthi from SR balebile bazana kanja abantu bathi even though noma bekuba kakhulu i-interest maybe
Yeah.
but nje energy yabo ne-rhyming yabo
Yeah.
that's what I love.
Ne. Mina mfana shout out to Lumeke mfana you keeping it real like the whole time. Akachanganga noma industry ni.
Yeah.
Like it's still that limit crazy that I know from primary, from high school, yabo.
From the
whole shout out to Tali wonga mfethu. Umlimeka asesowethu one diesel brand. Ohlangane ne-owner ye-diesel.
Renzo.
Dog, that's big.
One and the only.
Mfethu, if they can do it, what's stopping us from doing
Being
it?
in Italy.
Sayenza le.
Inspiration.
Yeah, yabo. So, abantu mfethu, if they wanna, by the way, Castle Vogel will be there by the event to take coverage, yabo. You're still gonna see more, yabo.
Yeah.
This one is just a brief.
Like foundation.
Yeah, they're still gonna
Like
pull up.
Supremacy Foundation.
Yeah, shut up.
Shut
So
up.
how do people reach out to you if they want to buy the brand yako?
Okay, for now we're still running with Google or WhatsApp. Yeah, we're still running WhatsApp business. Then with Google we had a website, but it's no longer running right now. Savali, so yeah, it's unavailable right now. It's on can just call on WhatsApp on the number 068 416 6540 because the business WhatsApp number.
Yeah. Why is the website closed?
Yeah, but in terms of like the payments and running, you have to keep that. As I told you, SaaS, you need to do a tax return.
Oh,
So it takes time,
yeah.
and the domain needs to be paid each and every month.
Yeah. So bafethu abantu ababukela lapha emakhaya bafethu awuthinayo bafethu straight. The website is closed. And une-brand asifuna ukumbona esitradini asicela ama-2 rand. If you can do anything mfethu se-SARS lapha ngeke uyazi uyayibona i-potential, do something for the boy so the website can run so we can support, yabo. Ikhasi alivuke bafethu, yabo. Yeah. So because when how can they get rich of you? Bakuthola kanjani? Get hold of you. Bakuthole bakufuna and bakusupport-e ngani for the next event.
Mina bangithola vele ku-WhatsApp kule number 068 156 6104. Facebook Black Supremacy. Yeah. But I think mina into abangangisiza ngayo nje support kule initiative esiyenzayo each and every yabo. Angibhekanga into eningi abantu just need support because there's a brand inside the initiative esiyenzayo. So yeah.